Hey warrior! Welcome back to our channel. So for today, mag-get ready with me lang tayo because I am gonna go to work. So let's go! Ni-clip ko lang yung hair ko and I will now prime my face with the Issy & Co Makeup Serum. By the way, yung products pala na gagamitin ko today is from Yesstyle and some products that I bought from Lemusland. So Yesstyle, they sent it to me. Thank you so much, Yesstyle, for that. And Lemusland naman, those are products that I bought with my own money because it was highly requested from you guys. And lastly, this is also in partnership with Lemooc Beauty. So thank you so much. For our base, it's going to be from Lemusland and they have a BB cream. Ganyan yung itsura niya. I hope this matches me kasi if not, I don't know. Oh, it's too light for me, guys. Can you see? Mali ako ng pagpili ng shade. That is my weakness, guys. So, let me just get another base product that suits me better. Okay, I'm back, guys. And I'm gonna use my current favorite Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiance Tint. And I'm in the shade 27 Umber. As usual, idadot ko lang siya sa face ko. Guys, sorry akong tumitingin ako sa left side. Nandito kasi yung mirror ko. Just focusing it on my cheeks kasi yun yung problem area ko. And I don't really wanna put so much. And just a dot under my eyes. Dito sa chin ko because I'm breaking out so bad, guys. I will be using Mama Ann's Blendee. This is the velvet one. I'm not sure what you call it. Pero may mga pangalan sila, guys, ha? Ito yung sponge na ginagamit ko kasi sabi ni Mama Ann, kapag light coverage daw yung base makeup mo, tapos ito yung sponge na ginamit mo, hindi niya sheer out yung base and it's proven to be correct. Kaya I prefer this one. Ayan. So as you can see naman, diba, it's like nawala talaga yung under eye circles, yung eye bags ko and medyo mas naging pantay yung kulay. I'm not going for a very placado look. I just kind of wanna improve the appearance of my skin. Especially yung mga redness dahil sa acne. I super love the Radiance Tints by Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. If you have not watched my review on that, ililink ko sa description box. And if you don't know Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, it's by Ate May Layug. She's also a vlogger. If you noticed, hindi ako naglagay sa forehead ko kasi I don't know, nasanay lang talaga ako na hindi ako naglalagay ng makeup products sa forehead ko. Not unless I have something to conceal. But as of the moment, there's nothing. I'm not gonna set it. Let's wait for it to set. We are going to move on to our eyebrows. And actually, meron akong two products dito. Yung isa is pinadala ng Yesstyle and this is the Fork Eyebrow Tint ng Rire. And I got the shade Gray Black because you know me, I like my eyebrows strong and black since my hair is black. Promising siya. It's just that it has a weird smell, like maasim yung smell niya. I have another one from Lemusland naman. Eyebrow Pencil. So there's a pencil on one end and then there's a brush on the other. Ayan, may spoolie siya. So, ito siya. Ito yung itsura niya. Triangular yung tip niya. Lemusland is very affordable. If you guys are looking for affordable makeup, then do check out Lemusland. I'm not sponsored to do that. Na-discover ko lang din to sa inyo, guys. So, yung gagawin ko na lang is, gagamitin ko tong fork kasi mas sanay ako sa ganito. Gusto ko lang din siya i-try kung mas mapapabilis ba yung brows natin dito. Oh, it's so pigmented, guys. Okay. So, kapag ginalaw mo siya kaagad, may pag-asa ka pang maayos siya. Pero, oh my goodness, like if you're a beginner, I would say go with the pencil na lang. Tapos, kukunin ko yung spoolie ng Lemusland and i-blend ko lang siya. Ayan. So, may blending time ka naman, in fairness. Kasi nabe-blend ko siya. So, this is very tricky also. Dapat alam mo yung shape na ini-aim mo for your kilay or else baka iba yung mangyari. It gives you like that bushy brow effect. So, if you're into that, then you should check this out. Again, this is the Rire Fork Eyebrow Tint and I'm in the shade Gray Black. Okay, next is to contour, and the one that I've been using is the Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint in the shade 33 Toffee. I love this for contouring because you can build it up, you can put super konti lang. I mean, it's really up to you how much you want. I've discovered that contouring my nose is the best place to start, lalo kapag liquid. Kasi sa nose ako mas particular sa contour. Ayan. So, I spread it out first, like that. And then, tsaka ako nagmo-move on sa cheeks ko. And I use the same sponge. Ayan, super pigmented niya, guys. So, just blend it into your hairline. Grabe yung pigment niya. Blend it up, blend it down. Just spread it in that area. Not super big because this is a contour and not a bronzer. Tapos medyo tinataas ko siya dito ng konti because my cheekbones are very prominent, like sideways. So I try to like create that illusion that it's a little bit smaller than it is. Boom! It's gone. It just looks like a natural shadow. I love it. Okay, let's spread this one naman. And I just use the tip of my sponge. Ayan, I'm blending it up, blending it down, then just using the bigger part. Just like blend it out. That was so easy. That was so fast, right? I used to not like contouring, but ever since, this is so dramatic, but ever since I encountered Get Ready With Me cosmetics and I used them as my contour, shucks, I super love contour na. I don't contour my cheeks, I don't contour my nose before, pero dude, talaga, pero warrior, if you really have that product na you trust and works for you, you'll love to do your makeup. So I blend it up to my brows para naka-contour niya rin yung nose bridge ko dito with an illusion na matangos nga yung ilong natin. And hindi lang siya dito matangos, but simula pa lang dito matangos. We're just doing again like an everyday makeup look because I'm just going to work. It's so natural. I love it. And it's so buildable. Like if I would want to add more, I can. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our blush. And I'm gonna use the one from Yesstyle again. This is from the Saem. That's the brand. I have 2 shades. Ayan siya. So, parang nako-curious ako actually sa hot pink. Pwede naman natin siya i-tone down gamit itong mas nude shade. Kaya, let's use this first. And I'm gonna use my favorite blush brush. And this is the Sephora brush. Ano lang to actually, hindi siya original. Okay, hindi niya nakikita, pero meron na siya agad pigment dito in person. Wow, it looks neon on the pan, pero it looks nice on my skin, ha? Oh, yung cute, parang baby doll vibe. Okay, I like it, ha? I like it. Am I weird? I'm gonna get my powder brush and blend it out, or else it's gonna get more intense. Kung na-encounter niyo rin yung ganitong problem, then I would highly suggest doing the same thing. Just get a big fluffy brush. Or ako, I use my powder brush para hindi na, madaming hugasan na brush. And just blend it out. See? So don't panic, guys. Makeup is art and you can remedy it just easily. Okay, so we're gonna use the darker shade and like put it dito sa may nilagyan natin ng contour. Kasi yung shade niya is parang contour shade rin siya. I'm gonna blend it towards the center of my face. Kasi yun naman yung gusto natin, diba? I like how we look so far. I like the product so far, ha? Oh my goodness, this is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush. Like, this is just like a fluffy blending brush. And I'm gonna take this darker blush shade that we used from the Saem. And I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. Kasi parang ang ganda niyang eyeshadow, guys. So, isi-spread ko lang siya all over my lid. Like so. Okay, I'm done with like the eyeshadow blush situation and I really like it. Medyo na-overdo ko ata ng konti kasi nag-enjoy ako, guys. So, moving on, still from Yesstyle is this Prism Air Highlight from Cleo. Grabe yung packaging. Ang ganda, guys. Oh. Wow, I'm in love with it. Tapos ganyan yung itsura niya sa loob. Even better. And how I put highlight, guys, is sometimes with a brush, sometimes with my hand. So, with this one, parang gusto ko siya i-test with my finger. So, I'm just gonna get some on the... Wow! Tapos, lagay lang ako ng konti dito. Sobrang konti. More pa. I see. Ooh. It's like a... Wow, that's so nice. It's undetectable, guys. Parang ang healthy lang ng skin ko. Grabe, ang ganda. It's so pretty. Basa lang yung skin ko. I love that. Lagay tayo sa ilong. Wow. Rudolph the Shiny Nose Reindeer. Shut up. Wow. Okay. That's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my inner corners. Napalagay sa inner corner, girl. We're moving on now to our eyeliner. And I have one here from Lemusland. This is their Sexy Glamour eyeliner. Actually, ang ganda ng packaging, ha? Diba? And I got the shade Black. So, it's a... Ano ba to? Felt tip? Felt tip ba? Hindi, parang brush tip siya. And we're just gonna try to make a really small wing, guys. Kasi alam nyo naman, weakness ko to. Wish me luck.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's so easy. It's so pigmented and it's like super easy to glide on. At saka ma-achieve mo yung manipis na line lang kasi buong-buo yung brush niya. Hey guys, I'm back. So natapos ko na yung eyeliner ko and super love ko siya. It's really nice. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng konting brown eyeshadow yung eyes ko. Now, let's move on to our mascara. And our mascara is from Lemooc Beauty. It's their Super Curl Mascara. Ang cute ng packaging nila, oh. It reminds me of melons. And I love melons. It's my favorite fruit, guys. Ooh, the wand is pretty big, guys. Tapos yung bristles niya is like brush bristles. Hindi siya plastic bristles. So that's good because I don't really like plastic bristles when it comes to the mascara because it's a little bit ouchy. Okay, so since this is a new mascara, I'm just gonna get some tissue and wipe off the excess product because we don't want that smearing all over our makeup and ruining the whole look. Okay. Ang laki nung wand niya na parang I can't really feel... Oops! And there you go. It's smudged on my eyelid. I feel like the wand is too big for my eye. Isa lang mata mo, girl. My eyes. I like the formula. And it is doing something naman sa lashes ko. Ayan. So, ito yung meron, tas ito yung wala. So, you guys be the judge. Na-volumize naman niya in fairness and like mas kita na siya. Like may lengthening effect din siya. I'm done with my lashes and I like it. It's just that medyo challenging nga siya sa simula kasi malaki yung brush. But it's very gentle and the formula is really good. It's not watery, just perfect the way that I like it. Let's move on to the lips and ang dami kong choices for lip products. I bought 2 lipsticks from Lemusland. Ito yung itsura ng packaging. And in fairness naman sa packaging ng Lemusland, it's pretty nice. This is number 11 in Persistence. And this is 04 in Mocha. I'm not sure which one I want to try kasi this is too pink and then this is too orange naman. Lemooc sent me 3 of their liquid lipsticks. Ito yung itsura nila. As usual, ang cute ng packaging. Ayan. So these are more on the neutral shades. I chose these shades actually. So from Lemooc, this is 102, 103, and 105. So I think I will be mixing 105 and Mocha from Lemusland. Yeah, okay. This is nice. It's very lightweight. I like the consistency. It feels like a velvet on the lips. By the way, warriors, I have a discount code with Lemooc Beauty. And I will just flash it on the screen and put it in the description box. Pati yung link papunta sa Shopee nila. I'll just fix my hair and I'll be right back. Hi warriors, I'm back and I just slightly blow dried my hair. Slightly talaga. Basically, I love the whole look. Like, it's perfect for work day. And actually, let me just give you my thoughts on each product. So for the Lemusland Bb Cream, I got the wrong shade and that's why I can't really give you my thoughts. But the consistency was pretty nice. It was watery, lightweight, and I just felt like it was gonna be perfect for those summer days that we have dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi napakainit at gusto lang natin yung lightweight na hindi mahuhulas. And I feel like ganun siya. Okay, so pinamalit ko doon is yung favorite ko na Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiant Tint. And this is what I used as my all-around concealer and my contour. And I love the Radiance Tints, guys. Just go and watch my review if you want a more in-depth information doon. So next is this Rire Fork Eyebrow Tint. Ayan. So this is from Yesstyle. Again, thank you Yesstyle for the products that you sent me, and I would highly suggest this if you are someone who's into yung micro pens. Sobrang uso nun ngayon. Ang dami ko nang na-try nun, and I highly recommend this if you're someone who's into micro brow pens. Again. Next would be from Lemusland, and this is the Sexy Glamour Eyeliner in black. I'm not super a fan of liquid liners, especially kapag nandito siya sa ganitong form, because nanginginig, prone tong nginig yung kamay ko, guys, and hindi masyado maganda yon kung magla-liner ka. Dapat sharp and precise. But with this one, oh my gulay, like, guys, nakikita niyo ba? Huwag niyo na lang pansinin yung smudging nung mascara ko. Pero yung liner ko, it's pretty much on point. This is going to my everyday kikay kit talaga, and I think you guys are gonna see me wearing eyeliner more often. Next is the Lemooc Mascara. The consistency and yung applicator niya, yung mismong bristles ng brush, it's very nice, very soft. And again, the consistency is just perfect. It's not too runny, not too stiff, just how I like it. So if you're like me, you like that kind of consistency, then I would highly suggest that you check them out. Let's move on to our blushers, and aka our eyeshadow for today. I love this. This can be bought from Yesstyle, guys, and it's from the brand the Saem. I just love it. I love it. It's so pigmented, it's easily blendable, and the powder is very fine. Next is the Prism Air Cleo Professional Highlighter. Guys, ang ganda niya. Club Cleo talaga never fails us with packaging. This was sent by Yesstyle again, guys, and I am in love. I am an oily face kind of person. Oily face, oily skin kind of person. And I don't really put highlighter. But, you know, I think I'm gonna change that with this. I love the Prism Air Highlighter by Cleo. I'm not sponsored to say this, but I just sincerely loved it at first use. Moving on to Lemusland Lipsticks. I like the packaging. I used the shade 04 Mocha. I combined it with Lemooc Liquid Lipstick in 105. I like the combination. I'm a very basics, everyday nude kind of girl. Yung saktong pabebe cute lang look. And I think that this is just doing it for me. So I highly recommend the Lemusland lipstick. They are creamy, pigmented, and they are moisturizing as well. So ako, I have dry lips, but so far so good. Hindi naman siya drying sa lips. Again, another factor could be the watery consistency of the Lemooc liquid lipstick. Parang meron siyang slight cooling effect. Wala siyang mint, guys, but you know how water feels like on your lips, or gel, like aqua gel tints? It kinda has that feeling, and I just love it for that. Okay, warriors, that is it for today's Get Ready With Me video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love creating this look, and this is one of the few Get Ready With Me videos I have on my channel. So if you enjoyed Get Ready With Me videos, then give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below kung ano ba yung gusto nyong makita sa akin next. I would like to ask you guys if I should do more mukbangs, because I have been live streaming in the Bigo Live app. So lalagay ko lang rin lahat sa description box yung usernames ko for all my social media accounts para mapanood nyo ako live magmukbang. So anyways, I have been loving mukbangs, and I was thinking that this YouTube channel will have more mukbang videos. So I want to know your opinion on that, warriors. Are you game to watch more mukbangs from me? I'd love to know. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I love you all, warriors. Thank you so much for always being there for me. Have a great day again. God bless us all, and bye! Mwah.